Hey, what is up guys, this is James and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make glowing text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. To make glowing text effect, first you need to write something, right? To write a text you need to go to here, which is type tool, select that and click here on your program panel and write whatever you want. As we are going to make a glowing text effect, I'm just writing glow. Then you can select the selection tool, select the text and go to here in Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see Essential Graphics panel, then go to Window, then enable Essential Graphics, then this panel will appear. Then select the color that you want. I want a white text, I'm just selecting white color, then click OK. Now you can center align it from here. Just click vertical center and horizontal center. There are several methods to add glow effect. I'm going to show you 3 different methods to add glow effect. I'm just copying this text to show you 3 different methods. The first one is using this Essential Graphics panel. Select the text and then scroll down and select shadow. Just enable it. Select the color that you want. If you want white glow color, then you can select white color. If you want neon glow effect, then you can select a neon color. I'm selecting a neon color. Then you can increase the opacity. You can increase it just by 100%. Then increase this section. It will introduce glow effect. If you want to add more glow effect, then you can increase this value. Now you can see the glow effect is happening. So this is the first method. Let me show you the second one. This is a very simple one. Just duplicate the text layer, and on this bottom layer you need to apply a Gaussian blur effect. Go to effects panel. If you don't see this effects panel, then go to window, then enable effects. Now search for an effect called Gaussian blur, then click and drag this Gaussian blur effect on this first layer. Release it, then get back to effects control panel. If you don't see effects control panel, then you can go to window and enable effects control, then find the Gaussian blur. Now increase the blurriness and see the glowing is happening. If you want aggressive glow effect, then you can increase it maybe 200 or 300. If you want to have a subtle glow effect, then you can just keep it maybe 120. To change the color of your glow effect, you can select the text and you can change the fill color. If you want to have different color, then just select that color. It will transform that color into glow effect. Now the third method. Again, you need to go to effects panel and then search for glow. Then click and drag this alpha glow effect on top of your text layer. Release it. Then get back to effects control panel. Then scroll down and find alpha glow. If you want to have more glow, you can just increase the glow. And then you can increase or decrease the brightness, whatever you want. So this is how you can add glow effect on your text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.